I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi viewers, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, night. I can't talk, I cannot speak too loudly because my kids are still sleeping. And I've been up from 5:30 working out. And I have a surprise for you guys this morning. Guess what? Tan 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 tan. Look who wake up and work out this morning. I'm a proud wife right now. Say morning, honey. How are you?
Headache.
Headache, don't worry. You'll get over it. Guys, woke up this morning, work out, and somebody's deserving of some breakfast. So I'm making him breakfast this morning. So I'm making the breakfast so I can go and get myself ready and get my kids up and get them breakfast. I have an appointment this morning that I'll tell you guys about later, but I'm excited about today. Yeah, so I'll take you guys along my day, hopefully. And if I don't get to take you guys along, then I'll tell you guys about my day when I get back. So enjoy today's vlog. Subscribe if you're new to the fandom. Catch by the keep up. And I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Let's do this one more time. Let's see how today is gonna go. Sarah, no crying at. Very good. And you're gonna eat at. Very good. And you're gonna nap at. Very good. Okay. And mama will pick you up later. Okay. No crying. You're a big girl. Okay. Morning. What you're gonna do today?
I'm going to school.
And no
Talking
in no talking in
class.
very good. You have your glasses in your bag?
Yes.
Very good. And you're
Put on
gonna,
your glasses if you see that you
if you feel that the headache is coming, put your glasses. Or if mattress don't get to move you in time. Okay? Alright, you guys, the thing is that Tyler is having headaches whenever he forces his eyes too much, and at the moment he's at the back of the class, and that ain't gonna work. So we request that his teacher move him from the back of the class. So hopefully that will happen today. But anyway, I'm heading out right now to go drop them and come back to catch Babe to head to town because I have an appointment. So see you guys later. Later. So see you guys
Tomorrow.
no later.
Later.
Ready for school?
Baby.
You carrying Baby with you?
Baby.
Yes. And nap time, you put Baby and sleep, okay? And no screaming, okay, Sarah? Okay, Sarah?
Okay. Baby.
Yes, it's Baby. She chose Red Bull this morning. She said she wants Red Bull. She ready.
I think they should have both.
guys my lunch, but I was on the phone and talking while I'm eating. I ate the nuts, the raspberries, and the tomatoes that were right here. That left me with a piece of cheese, avocado, bacon, 3 eggs, and a bowl of salad. So let me tell you guys about my day. I just got back. Your girl been keeping this secret until today. Is it a secret now? I don't know, but I'm happy to share with you guys that I will be going back to school. When I say school, I mean French classes. So you guys know that I always talk about I can't wait to go back to French classes, or I can't wait for the kids for Sarah to go off to school so that I can focus on me. No, it happened and I'm wasting no time. Head right to it. So this morning I went to do my French evaluation test to see where I'm at so they can know which class to put me in. So my test went well and I'm going in. I know which class I'm going in and I'm happy about that. So now classes will begin early October and end late November, because classes is only 2 months, and then after that I should be going in a higher level class, and that one should run for 3 months. But let's see. But this morning went well. I'm happy to share the news with you guys that I got in, and I was expecting class to start earlier than the date that I get, but the date that I wanted, that class is full. But yeah, I have to ride and whistle, which I don't think I'll be able to do, but I need to eat. It's after 2 p.m. and you guys know that my first meal of the day is lunch, because I don't do breakfast because of this new lifestyle that I'm on. I'll do tea in the morning, which I did this morning, and have my bottle of lemon water to go. So that's what I did this morning. So a lot of changes will be happening in October for us. Like we'll have to drop the kids to school 30 minutes earlier. We'll have to pick them up 30 minutes later. But that will be fine. We'll figure life out, and I'm loving these changes. I told you guys a lot of changes was gonna come after Sarah starts school, and it has begun, and I'm happy about that. So yeah, that's a little news. On another note, how is Sarah doing at school today? I don't know as yet, because I have to wait to pick her up at 5:30. So I'm going to get myself busy after I eat. I have some studies to do that they give me to do that I need to get done before class in October. So your girl will be pretty much busy, but I'm still going to try to hang around as much as I can with you guys until then. So yeah, that's what's going on. So that's where I went this morning when I tell you guys that I have an appointment to go to. So that's that. Now I'm gonna go enjoy my lunch, and I'll talk to you guys later. By the time I finish eating lunch and start doing some work, it's time to cook dinner, so that I could go and pick up, so that I can go and pick up the kids in time, so that when they get home I don't have to worry about rushing to make dinner. So it's best to make dinner before I go and pick up the kids. Yeah, so I am in the kitchen right now making dinner, so that I can finish this to do what I just said. Yeah, so on the menu today, I'm not cooking any protein, because we have meat left over from barbecue last night, and I also have another piece of meat in the fridge that I need to use up. So I'm just making some starch and veggies, and I'm going with cauliflower, carrot, and cabbage for veggies, and then I'm cooking some rice for the kids, and that's what dinner will be for tonight. Yeah, when life get busy, you prioritize and do what you gotta do. And it will only get more busy. More busier than this. I'm excited though to see life the next 5 years from now. What it's gonna be. I'm really excited, and I'm excited to share that journey with you guys. Because it will be fun. Walking on the street alone without no baby bag on and no kids' hands to hold, it feels weird. It's the weirdest thing ever. It's like getting used to walk all over again. It feels so weird. I literally feel like I have to be learning how to balance myself with walking with my hands free and no bag on my back. Oh my god, this new life, I love it. Alright guys, so this is what dinner is looking like. That's what I made. Steamed veggies and rice, and I have this meat here, which is pork, and then I also have barbecue from yesterday. Oh, look. You had fun at school today?
I found school today.
Did you sleep at school?
Sleep at school.
Did you sleep?
Did you sleep?
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama.
Did you eat your green beans?
Green beans?
You eat green beans?
Yeah.
You eat green beans?
Yeah.
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama.
Did you eat cake?
Yeah.
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama.
Did you
Yes.
eat yogurt? You eat cheese?
Cheese.
Yes?
Yeah. No, you go.
And no crying?
Not crying. Ew. Oh, I'm going.
Alright, go. Go with Tai Tai. Go on.
Let's go home. What's that?
Please. So you guys, I picked up Sarah from aftercare, and because her teacher not of aftercare, of course, I didn't get to speak directly to her teacher. But if there was something important for me to know, she would have written it in her communications book. But there's nothing in there, and Sarah told me that is one, the camera is on now. She's telling me that she eat her green beans. But since I've been asking her, when she got home, she said she didn't eat the green beans, but she ate the yogurt, she ate the cake, and she ate the fish. So I think she ate a bit. I don't know. But the reason why I think she ate a bit is because some of her snack that I sent for after school came back. And if she didn't eat, then she would have ate everything. So that's a good sign. She also seemed rested, which means she take a nap. Because if she didn't nap, she would be tired or probably falling asleep. Now it's after 6 p.m. So yeah, I think it went well. I won't be seeing her teacher until next week. Not next week, this Friday. I'll be seeing her teacher on Friday because there is parent-teachers meeting on Friday. So I'll know exactly how the week went. Anyway, it's dinner time around here, so I'm gonna feed my babies. A little TV time for the kiddos before they shower and go to bed. What you guys eating? What you eating?
Nothing.
They're having popsicles. Poppity, poppity, pop, pop, pop. Come, big kiss. Wait. You're too close. Hey, when you do that, you know what it reminds me of?
What?
When you were younger, that's how you used to do when you want to give me kiss. You used to come and say, Mama, and when I don't want to kiss him, you remember? You used to go, You don't remember? That's how you used to go with your big lip. The sun torch me, roast me. You give Faith kiss. So how Faith get kissed before me? How Faith get kissed before me?
Like that they go, don't get me.
Miss sad. Alright. See you in the morning. What you want for breakfast?
I want a biscuit.
No. What do you want for breakfast?
I want some cereal, but half, because I couldn't finish mine
This
today.
morning.
So not as much. Less. More than the half less. But not enough.
Okay, I got it. So you want more milk than cereal, or you want more cereal than milk?
Like a bit like
Half and half?
yes.
Alright. Juices, you tomorrow you have water in your room?
But maybe a little bit more of milk.
Tell Fizz bye-bye.
Bye. And don't forget to drink milk.
How was your first day at aftercare? Tell Fizz, how was your first
It
day?
was very good. My first day of aftercare, it was very good.
What else?
First, I eat goûter.
Goûter is snack.
After, I go up in a class, in another class, and after, I do my homework.
Okay. And then Mama come pick you up.
Yes.
Alright, go. Papa waiting on you for bed. Murder. You guys, why the 12 of us hand is like this?
That's how I am always, and you always tell me if somebody I'm gonna get poor or whatever. Oh no,
No,
poor is the
somebody
finger.
dead.
Yeah, he's dead.
Is your
Poor is the
fingernail
fingers
on a
on Sunday. Hey, Patty!
You know it's true him telling when you hear me and him say it together. Only me can tell him those things. Look how summer torch my man.
Yeah,
Summer roast me.
your face the same.
There's a Brazilian girl in the class. I told you today in the test today. She looked just like Evelina.
Okay. Oh, you meet people? Ukrainian, a lot of Ukrainian.
One Ukrainian and one Brazilian and I talk together. The
Okay.
Ukrainian and I will be in the same class, but not the Brazilian and I.
Right.
Anyway, you guys, so Sarah progress report. I don't remember if I gave it to you guys when I got home, but seemed like today was a better day. How? I just felt a sudden pain in my jawbone.
You should rest from workout tomorrow.
He's trying to get away from workout tomorrow, but it's not happening. As long as my body is able, I'm waking him
It's gonna be a
up.
long day for me.
I'm waking him up tomorrow. He's working out tomorrow, so that won't be a debate. Anyway, seemed like today was a better day for Sarah. Nobody didn't want to see me at the meeting, even though the teacher was long gone. But I'm sure if you had something important to tell me, she would write it in the book.
She will.
So there was nothing in the book. But I asked Sarah what and what she ate. Of course, Sarah told me she ate the cake. She told me she ate chicken, but
Well,
it's
at
not
least
chicken,
it's-
it's fish.
Okay.
But she told me she didn't eat the green beans. I asked her over and over and over, and she told me, I asked her, you ate the green beans? She said, no.
Me, she tell me yes.
She tell Papa yes, but she tell me no all evening. And the fact that she didn't eat all her snack, then that tell you that she wasn't that hungry. And she looked rested, which means she slept, and she told me she slept. So that's good.
Well, we have a meeting with the teacher
On Friday.
on Friday, so that will be a lot of question, a lot of responsibility for you.
Yeah. So it's funny because when you have two kids going to school at two different sections and the meetings are on the same day, same time, what do they expect? What do they want you to do? So Tyler have meeting Friday, Sarah have meeting Friday. So I have to go to Sarah meeting and Papa have to go to Tyler meeting. So we have to put them in half an hour extra aftercare. So instead of picking them up 5 o'clock, we're gonna have to pick them up 6 o'clock. So I think Tyler, I don't know what time Tyler meeting finish.
5.
Finish.
Probably
It
5
starts
to 6.
5. But Sarah, I don't
Probably
know
5
why
to
Sarah
6.
owns so long. Sarah owns start at 4:30 and end at 6 o'clock. What do they have to tell us? But
Well,
anyway,
you're the one that was telling me to
I
ask that. So that's gonna be your first
this will
meeting.
be my first meeting. I always go to Sarah drop off first days. Not just Sarah, but I also went to Tyler first day drop off. They has never gone to first day drop off inside. He always go and stay outside, but I am the one that always go inside. But I'm looking forward to Friday. I'm excited for my first parent teachers meeting on my own. Anyway, you guys, that's the progress. And you guys asking about Tyler, why I don't give you much update on Tyler, because Tyler is fine. Tyler is boss. Tyler is fine at school. You know that if anything bad is going on, then you will know. The only thing is Tyler, first day he was sitting at the back of the class because he said a lot of the kids reach in the class before him. So you know, at first day of school, wherever you sit, that's normally end up being your seat for the rest of the year. Tyler have headache whenever he strain his eye too much, so we request for him to move from the back of the class, and the teacher respond immediately, and Tyler was moved to the front of the class. So that's a good thing. So that's the update on the kiddos. We are good. Told you guys about my classes today, so I'm excited. Excited for me?
Yeah, I'm happy for you.
Alright, you guys, I'll keep you guys updated on life as we go along this journey. Love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and send babe all the love for waking up and working out this morning and for continuing, that he will continue. Yeah, it's gonna happen, so you guys keep him accountable. Love you guys.
Send me a lot of cookies.
Don't even bother with it. Send him only lettuce and broccoli.
Love cookies.
Goodbye.
And donuts.
Not
And
one in nugget. You can't think
we
about
see
it
you
in your
guys
head.
tomorrow with a lot of donuts and cookies.
Broccoli and lettuce. Go to cooking. Not one cookie and nugget.